Celebration, Florida, is known for its charming neighborhoods, tree-lined streets, and picture-perfect homes. But as any local homeowner knows, living in Central Florida also means managing sweltering summers, high humidity, and strong sunlight. In this climate, your windows play a much bigger role than simply letting in light. They affect energy bills, indoor comfort, and even the long-term durability of your home. That's why more and more Celebration homeowners are choosing energy-efficient window replacement, an upgrade that delivers both practical and aesthetic benefits. Lowering energy bills in a hot climate air conditioning is essential in Celebration, but outdated windows can work against you. If your windows allow cool air to escape and hot air to seep in, your HVAC system has to run longer and harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Energy-efficient windows combat this with double or triple pane glass with insulating gas between panes. Low E, low emissivity, coatings that reflect heat while still letting in natural light. Strong seals and frames that minimize air leakage. The result? Homes stay cooler with less energy use, saving families money every month. Enhanced indoor comfort. Drafty windows or uneven room temperatures are signs your current windows may not be performing well. With energy-efficient replacements, you'll notice consistent indoor temperatures throughout your home. They reduce drafts and hot spots, especially near large windows. Better insulation also means your HVAC system can maintain comfort without overworking. For Celebration residents, this means greater comfort year-round, whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet night at home. Protecting interiors from sun damage. Florida's bright sunshine is beautiful, but it can also be harsh. Prolonged UV exposure can cause fading in furniture, flooring, and even artwork. Modern energy-efficient windows help by blocking up to 99% of harmful UV rays, reducing glare without sacrificing natural light, preserving the color and condition of your interior decor. This protection extends the life of your belongings and keeps your home looking fresh and vibrant. Noise reduction. For peaceful living. Celebration is a lively community, and while that adds to its charm, it can also mean more outdoor noise. Whether it's traffic, community events, or nearby activity, noise can affect your home's sense of calm. Energy-efficient windows often feature thicker, multi-pane glass that helps block sound, tight seals that minimize outside noise intrusion. For homeowners, this means a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment, perfect for families and remote workers alike. Boosting curb appeal and resale value. New windows don't just make your home more efficient, they make it more beautiful. A wide range of styles, colors, and finishes allows you to choose windows that complement Celebration's architectural charm. Sleek, modern frames can give your home a refreshed look. Buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient upgrades, making this a smart investment if you plan to sell. In a community like Celebration, where attention to detail matters, updated windows can instantly enhance curb appeal. Durability. For Florida's climate, humidity, heavy rains, and occasional storms can all shorten the lifespan of older windows. Energy-efficient replacements are designed to handle these challenges. Advanced materials resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. Impact-resistant options offer extra protection during storm season. Modern construction ensures long-term performance, even in Florida's demanding environment. This makes them a reliable choice for homeowners who want comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Final thoughts. For Celebration, Florida homeowners, energy-efficient window replacement offers more than just savings on utility bills. It's about improving comfort, reducing noise, protecting interiors, and enhancing curb appeal, all while preparing your home for Florida's climate challenges. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or simply not keeping up with your family's needs, now is the time to consider upgrading. With professional installation, energy-efficient windows will keep your Celebration home cooler, quieter, and more stylish for years to come.